back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. So we are being a bit quiet because little baby B is snoozing over here. So we have another mystery box unboxing. This is Woot's bag of crap for $10, I believe.
Yep.
So it's another $10 mystery box unboxing that we're about to open.
Actually, it's heavier than the last couple. Ooh, it's a blue bag.
I don't think I've ever gotten a blue one before.
I don't know.
That one's pretty. I totally don't shop at Woot.com.
Same.
Let's see.
Jesus. After that, we'll have my ID tag.
Oh my goodness.
We got 2 done.
No, there's more.
3
Does it
of
see what
them?
brand it is on there?
Conair.
It's definitely Conair. It's definitely a hair brand, I thought. Makeup brand?
Yeah.
That's so
Hair.
cute.
Enamel glass paint.
Glass
Gold.
paint. Oh, I've never actually heard of glass paint before.
Glass paint. A doorstop.
We didn't need to get door stopper.
We do.
So our door doesn't slam?
Oh, that's true. I think you're charging something.
Charging brand.
Pod light. PowerPort 3 pod.
What is that? Wait, what's that? Look. USB charging brand.
What are you? Oh, it's a power stand.
Oh.
That's cool.
It's a bunch of by the same brand.
Another anchor thing. Another anchor thing.
That's a flat charge, I think.
Slim cord. I'm going to open all these
Yeah,
up.
we're going to have to open it and at the end kind of do like a pan of everything once it's open.
I have these.
What is that?
These are your headphones.
Oh, cool. The 2 of them?
Yeah.
Cool. A
Head
head
wrap.
wrap. Oh, from the same Conair
Yeah.
elephant.
And
A makeup pouch?
yeah, looks like it.
Again, we're going to take everything out and put it on
Your
there.
pack. It's a fanny pack.
That's cute. Shirt?
It's a 4T
Italia.
Italia shirt. Alright. And then big ol' clip. And big ol' clip.
You know what? For $10, that's not that bad.
Yeah, considering I think this stuff is definitely expensive. Anchor's kind of expensive sometimes.
I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know if you think this was worth the $10. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.